Hi everyone, welcome to Logic Bits. I am Vinod Kumar. Now I will explain the concept of Python programming. We will see the introduction about the Python programming. Python is a high-level general purpose programming language. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Python was introduced in the year 1991, designed by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch computer scientist. So whenever we create a Python program, we have to use the extension .py. Now we are looking at the image of Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python programming language. Why we have to learn the Python programming language? At present, dozens of programming languages are available. When we compare the programming languages like C, C++, Java with the Python programming language, the syntax of the Python programming language is very simple. The simplicity of the Python programming language allows the programmer to concentrate on the logic rather than the syntax. The companies like Google, Facebook, Netflix, Wikipedia, Yahoo, Amazon, Instagram are using Python programming language in their application development. Now we are looking at the logo of Python programming language. So whenever we create a Python program, normally we are using the IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So in our discussion, we are using the IDLE editor for the Python program development. IDLE stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment. It's a very simple editor to create Python programs. So whenever we install the Python in our laptop or desktop, IDLE will be automatically installed in our laptop or desktop. For execution of Python program, we can use online compilers also. We can see the online compiler in the coding section. The Python programming language is making significant contributions in the following domains of machine learning, web development, data analysis, scientific research, and automation. So in the coding section, I will explain how to display a string message, how to display an integer value, how to display a float value. What is the difference between the integer value and the float value? The integer value contains only the whole part, whereas the floating point numbers contains both the whole part and the fractional part. So in the coding section, I will explain how to declare a variable in the Python programming language. Whenever we declare a variable in the Python programming language, we have to follow certain rules. The first rule is the variable names should not contain any blank space. The first letter of the variable must be a character or an underscore. Special characters are not allowed except the underscore. The variable names are case sensitive. means the lowercase characters are different from the uppercase characters. Look at the first example, my dear friends. The first example is DOB. All the characters are in lowercase. Look at the second example, my dear friends. It is also the name of the variables is also DOB, but all the letters I am using uppercase characters. Look at the third example, my dear friends. Only the first character is the uppercase characters and the rest of the characters are lowercase, even though the name of the variable is same, but I am using different case. So these three variables are different variables. They are not the same variables. Now we can move on to the coding section of the program, my dear friends. So in the start menu, I can type IDLE. So when I type the name IDLE in the start menu, the IDLE editor is activated. So now I want to create my first program in Python. So first I have to choose the file menu, go to the file menu and choose new file. So in the new file, just I am using a single command. For example, I am using the print command and I display a message welcome. So this is my first program. I simply display a welcome message, go to the file menu and save the program. I can save the program. At the time of saving the program, I have to use the extension .py. For example, name of the program is MSG. I am using the extension .py. Save the program. Now I want to run the program. To run the program, go to the run menu. I can choose run module or I can press F5. So the output is welcome. This is the output of the program. Now we can move on to the next program. I can open the program. Look at the coding, my dear friends. I am using the print command for 3 times. So inside the print command and within the pair of parentheses and within the pair of double quotes, I am using a string message, that is Python is simple. In the first statement I am using double quotes. In the second statement I am using the single quotes. To display a string value, either I can use a single quote or double quote, but I cannot mix single quote and double quote in the same string. It is not possible. Now I will run the program. So the output is Python is simple. Now we can move on to the next program. So in this program I am using 2 print statements. In the first statement I will display an integer value. In the second statement, I will display a float value. When we run the program by using the run command, the values 82 and 78.47 will be displayed in the output screen. Now we can move on to the next program, my dear friends. So in this program, I will declare variables. Look at the first statement, my dear friends. In the first statement, I am using a variable called country. So within a pair of double quotes, I am using the value, string value India. When I print the value of country, so inside the print command, I will mention the name of the variable country. So the output will be India. The message India will be displayed in the output. Look at the third statement, my dear friends. I am using one more variable called capital. So inside capital, I am using the value New Delhi. It's a string value. So look at the fourth statement, my dear friends. By using the print command, here totally I am using 4 string values. The first one is a simple string message. Second one is the name of the string variable. Third one is a simple string message. And fourth one is the name of the string variable. All these 4 entities are separated by commas. It's a comma separated list. So look at the next line, my dear friends. I am using the variable capital underscore city. The important point is, whenever a variable contains more than a single word, I can use the underscore to separate the name of the variable. So the variable capital underscore city contains the value Amsterdam. So in the next line, the capital of Netherlands is. First I will display the message, the capital of Netherlands is, followed by the comma operator, followed by the variable capital underscore city. What is the output? The capital of Netherlands is Amsterdam, will be displayed in the output. One more important point, my dear friends. When the message is displayed, the capital of Netherlands is, after the word is, Python will automatically insert a blank space. Python will automatically insert a blank space after the last word in the string. Now we can run the program, my dear friends. Look at the output, my dear friends. This is the output of the program. So after the word is, Python automatically inserts a blank space. Now we can move on to the online compiler. How we can use the online compiler? For example, in Google I can type online Python compiler. I can choose the first item, online Python compiler from Programmis. It's a very useful compiler. Here I can create my programs and test my coding. Just I will run the program. So here I am using a statement called print. So inside the statement I am using a string message. That message will be displayed as output. For example, here I am making modifications. Here I am using the message welcome. When I run the program, the message welcome will be displayed in the output screen. That's all for now. For more videos, please subscribe to Logic Bits channel. Please share this video with your friends. If you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section so that I can clarify your doubts. Thank you, my dear friends.